This is Dave, Iron Blackbird Cycles. We're down here in E-Town eating at the restaurant out here on the river. And actually, we're on the second story of the dock, which is attached to the restaurant. Floats out on the river, and we're having some catfish sandwiches today. So everybody come on down and have a good ride today. Even the ATV and UTV people are out coming to get some fish. This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We got a couple girls here from local restaurant that we frequent quite a bit. Anybody that's out here riding UTV or motorcycles, there's great places to ride all around this area. We're out on the river here, out by Garden of the Gods in Illinois. We're going to turn it over to these two ladies, and they're going to tell you all about the restaurant here and how good the fish is.
Yeah, it's just like over all the years in the summer, we've always had tons of bikers in all the time, and it's always been such a good crowd, and everyone's always so nice and friendly, and it's been awesome making friends with them over this whole summer and next summer and all the other ones.
Yeah, I know a lot of them travel through Garden of the Gods, so this is a great place to stop if you guys are traveling that way. We do have fresh river catfish and then pond catfish as well.
What's the name of the place?
It's the Elizabethtown River Restaurant.
And we're in Elizabeth. Is it Elizabethtown?
Yes.
Yeah. And located on the Ohio, near Cave in Rock. We're probably going to go down and take a ride on the ferry and film some of that today, just for fun. And we're headed to Cave in Rock next. So everybody give these girls a shout out and come down and tip them good. They're I assume both of you are going to SIC.
Yes.
So they got to pay their tuitions down there. They need the tips. Come down and give these girls some money.
Thank you.
Thank you.